Here is a small comparison of Victorinox knife sizes. This is classic, it's 58 millimeters. It's very useful for small tasks. This is like basically it has 2 layers plus the scissors. There is one which is a bit thicker. This is with the pen, the signature. There is still a bit bigger. This is Delamont collection, former Wenger. It's 85 millimeters. No, this is Delamont collection. It's 65 millimeters, so it's 7 millimeters bigger. And plus this Wenger, former Wenger, have in my opinion better scissors. Then there is 74 millimeters. This is Ambassador. This is basically almost like 84, but it has a pretty slimmer knife. If you compare it to this 84 millimeters model, it's much slimmer, so probably is not as good for heavy tasks. It's also slimmer. This was my favorite. It's called Victorinox Walker, but I think they stopped producing it. I like it because it's just 2 layers thick. It has nothing on the back. It has a knife, scissors and a combi tool. Then when I wanted something with a locking blade, I took this again, the former Wenger. It has pretty good scissors, locking blade, but then I found out that this lock is not the best. It's actually in the way and I don't like it, so I took a different one which has all the tools that I am using, but actually it's 4 layers thick, which I'm lazy to carry. So then I came back to 2 layer and I found this compact, which for the moment looks like my favorite. It doesn't have the saw, but after second thought, I'm not using a saw that much. And this is already 91 millimeter, so it's growing. And then I was using hiker, and before I found compact, which is a bit expensive, I started to create this one with in combination with the scissors of the classic. And if you like to see that, subscribe and you can see it in my next videos. To put the scissors here instead of the Phillips screwdriver, it will fit. Maybe it will be a little bit up to here, so I will have to grind it. And I'm also thinking about removing screwdrivers and can openers to make it slimmer. 2 layer is my favorite, and I'm not really using outdoors a screwdriver. Maybe I will remove this reamer and put there this small screwdriver. Let's see how it goes. Maybe it won't be possible, so just don't forget to subscribe. And this is, I think, the Fieldmaster. It's again 4 layer thick, which for me it would need some sheath, or I would carry it somehow differently. It's not so comfortable in a pocket where I also store my cell phone, so probably this stays at home. Then there are Alox version, but I don't like that it doesn't carry tweezers, and this is 111 one-hand opening knives, which I thought would be perfect, and this was my favorite. It doesn't have the scissors, which I was combining with the classic, and this is a really good combo. It would be nice to exchange this for scissors. Maybe later I will do that. After a while I found out that I don't need this big knife, so I'm going probably back to 2-layer compact, and probably I will not use the saw. There is one more. This is 130 millimeters big, and actually I thought this would be the perfect, but it's so big that is actually not a pocket tool for me. It's very nice to work with, but awful to carry in your pocket, maybe in the backpack or some separate sheet. For me, then it's better to take multi-tool, which is a bit heavier than this one, but it fits better in my pocket. This could be used with a clip or with a sheet, but for me this is too big to carry in a pocket.